Alright, so today I'm going to be working on this trailer. I've actually done some work to it already with the wiring. I repaired an area here. I repaired that wire going to that marker light. I added marker light here. The old one was broken. I fixed the connection to this plug where it was spliced into the original wires. All of the connections were bad. The connection from the wires to this light were bad. And the connections from this light to the wires were also bad. Right now, I'm working on getting new marker lights here. I got these lights off of Amazon. They're pretty cheap. Just type in red trailer marker lights and these will come up. Alright, let's get started by removing the old lights, and that was easy. And then marking out where the new lights are going to go. Yeah, so both of these bolts just stripped off. So we have 83 1/4, which means 41 5/8. Approximately, doesn't have to be exact. It's better if it's close. Same as this one. So center, 12 inches. I'm going to be using this pilot bit. I'm slowly stepping up until I can use the Christmas tree bit. All the holes are drilled, as you can see. Now all you gotta do is take the grommet, push them in, take the light, and there's a top on it, so you have to have them facing the right way, and then just push in the lights. I think that looks pretty good. Yeah, it definitely looks a lot better than that broken plastic. These lights just disappear. Like every time we use the trailer, they disappear. Here are the electrical supplies I'm going to be using to wire up the lights. I use these butt connectors that don't have insulation because they work a little bit better than the heat shrink ones, because sometimes with the heat shrink ones, as you crimp them, you break the insulation. And I have heat shrink to go over the connectors, wire loom to protect the wire. These wire strippers I got at Home Depot. They're pretty nice. Klein crimps, better. So let's get this done. Alright, so what I'm going to be doing is wiring these lights in parallel, not in series, because if they were in series, then if one of them went out, none of the lights past here would work, like those wouldn't work. Alright, so far I have these two positives connected, these two negatives, And my plan is just to run a wire here, connect to this negative, and ground over here. And then run these positives over here, connect to this positive, and then to the running lights wire, which is the brown one. Alright, here it is. So you got brown coming in, brown coming to here, goes to this light, also as a wire, which goes to this light and this light, so it's all in series. Green, this just spliced to shorten the wire, and then ground, splicing together. This extra wire coming over, grounding right to here. I sanded down the frame before I put that in. Alright, there it is all cleaned up with wire loom. Looks pretty good. I got the wire loom to go through those 3 eyelets, protect from chafing, but they all have these plastic, so this exposed wire will be fine. For testing, I'm just going to be using this battery that has a trailer connector. Look really nice. They're really bright, a lot better than that plastic garbage. Alright, so that's fixed, and these look good, much better than that plastic garbage. So there might be a video on this trailer about fixing the tires. We are not quite sure if it's just wheel bearings, which obviously it needs wheel bearings, or if the axles are bent, because we maybe have overloaded it. This one's even worse. If anyone knows how you order the wheel bearings for a trailer, let me know. Here's like the model and stuff. I don't know, we don't know like what model this trailer is. It's been painted over, covered up. So I know this video may have been pretty short, but thank you for watching anyway. And on to the next project.